Hey, Tim Engle, commercial photographer out here in Sacramento, California, and today we're talking about some AI. Originally when AI came out, I definitely saw kind of a panic in some of the photo communities, including myself, of like, oh my gosh, is this gonna take our job? Is this gonna produce images that are superior to what we can do and take us out of the equation? I would say that I've been involved with it for probably about a year now. I tried to take a step back originally and just see where it was going to go. I kind of think it was like the beginning of, let's say, HDR, where it was this new process or this new technique, and everybody dove in and they really worked it and beat the heck out of it. But then it found its place in the tool bag. I think AI is definitely heading in that direction. It's finding its place in the tool bag. Having tried some of the different AI processes out, it still is not taking the place of my retouching, of my ability to work on the image and deliver to the client what I need. Most of my clients, the pictures that were going to be required are pictures of them in different situations. Does it mean it's going to take the place of commercial stuff for larger marketing campaigns? I don't know, because that's not necessarily where I am. But my clients, I think in the beginning, were asking me questions about it. That seems to have filtered out lately and not be as prevalent as it was. One of the advantages that I found for AI is in image generation. I work with makeup artists, hairstylists, wardrobe people on a regular basis. And where we found some definitely good uses are with generating some images based off of the inspirations that we're looking for, and then being able to disseminate that inspiration to the team. So let's say that we're doing a look that's going to require makeup for, let's just say, a 50s style. Well, it's hard to have a vocabulary that's consistent with everybody and say, hey, give me a 50s look. I want, like, swooshy eyes and bright lips. Well, what does that mean to the makeup artist? So now we can do some images with, let's say, Mid-Journey, where we generate the looks that we're thinking about or talking about. I can then take those images that I think are relevant, pass them to the team, so now we have a jumping off point when we're working with clients. Another strength that I found for AI image generation is that in backgrounds, I work with products, specifically knives, for a company on a regular basis. And they will give me requests on what they'd like to see in backgrounds. Well, it's really hard, let's say when I'm getting 5 knives a month, to have all of these accessories to surround the knives. What I've discovered is that I can generate, let's say, a desktop with drafting materials on it. I can then take that image, figure out what it was doing with the light, mimic the lighting style and the look when I'm photographing the knife on a neutral background, and then I can composite the real knife into the AI background. And that's actually been really successful so far. So it's definitely finding its place. I'm not as panicked now as I was when it first came out, thinking it was going to take the place of us. I think the future is definitely going to be interesting, and we'll see. Thanks a lot.